We all know that with Apple's iPhone mirroring, you can check out your important apps and notifications without getting glued to your iPhone. Plus, transferring files is a breeze. Some apps let you drag and drop files between your iPhone and Mac just like that. And the best part? Everything stays in the Apple family. Seamless, secure, almost perfect. Here's the catch. You are trapped inside Apple's walls. Got a Windows laptop? Sorry. Helping your mom's Android phone? Nope. Oh, and both devices have to be on the same Wi-Fi. What if you're traveling, where your office network blocks cross-device connections? Suddenly, that magic feels limiting. That's why we present AirDroid remote support. Think of it as iPhone mirroring, but for the real world. Let's break it down. Your friend's Samsung phone acting up? Use your iPhone to control it directly. Need to grab a file from your iPhone while on a Windows PC? Done. AirDroid works across platforms, not just within them. Device trouble and you're not on site? No problem. Use your phone's cellular data to provide remote support or even take control. Location and networks are no barrier anymore. Need to show grandma how to use her new Android? Do it from your iPhone with gesture, even if you're 1,000 miles away. Struggling with a new device? Use the AR camera for smooth remote guidance. AirDroid bridges the gap effortlessly. That's all we want to talk about. For your convenience, we have left the download link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.